You're all in big talk now. What is this?
Tell them what you want to tell them.
What is this? They've said the podium help.
Yes, sir. For you, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yeah? Yeah, okay. Is it okay?
Yes. Excellency, the larger body of the Governors Forum is holding tonight, and here you are. And you would like to
Progressive Governors Forum, of course, we met. It's a very large body. There's nobody larger than the Progressive Governors Forum. There is a group of governors in Nigeria. And we are here to deliberate on issues concerning our party and our government, the federal government of Nigeria. And we had a very good and quality discussion. And among other things, are very committed to the support we are giving to President Bola Tinubu, our president and the leader of our party, and in support of all his policies, economic policies, and all the reforms he has embarked on. And we took the opportunity also to agree to explain to the larger Nigerians that this government is doing well. We have looked at the various policies of this government, and we acknowledge the teething problems associated with the initial stage of the programs, and agree that because we are very hopeful that it is also the solution to the current problems and economic hardship that has been befalling our country. In a very short time, we are confident that the situation will be restored. Prosperity will at least come at the end of the day. We will use this opportunity also to advise our young boys and girls, our young men and women, to desist from being instigated into causing crisis or chaos in the country. Already Nigerians have suffered enough. The global economic recession, the insecurity in Nigeria, the political tension occasioned by instigations and campaign of calumny by opposition parties, the social media attack on various policies of government. We want to advise for the interest of the country and as a show of patriotism. Our citizens must take ownership of this country because we have no other country we can call our own outside Nigeria. So we think that it is not wise at this moment for any demonstration by any group of persons, be it in whatever guise, so that we can manage the challenge of insecurity, the challenge of national minimum wage, the challenge of food security, and then the struggle to come out of the current economic recession. I think we are all working hard. It has to be a collective effort so that Nigeria will be better off for it. So those people who are now supporting or instigating groups of people to protest, we don't know what they are protesting for. And we invite all of them to sit down with us in a room so we can discuss and agree on the issues, what they are, and profile solutions. For we as a body, we are committed to the unity of the country. We are committed to whatever thing that will make Nigerians live better life, bring prosperity, jobs to be created. Our young boys and girls who've graduated should be employed. These are economic things we should be talking about, not to come and cause tension, destroy things. And when you say it's a peaceful protest is a protest. And there's nobody who can guarantee control of any crowd in the country. So go help us, you the media. Democracy cannot function without you. Help us speak to our people, those who are not properly informed. that prevention is better than cure. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. Don't hold it for the Don't hold it for the
Wait.